Hey, the key fob batteries continue. So this is a Dodge Ram, I guess they are now, but this is a Ram pickup truck. Pretty much this is going to be almost the same on the other Mopar ones. So the key fob that we have here is face up, and then on the back, standard, no buttons or anything like that. Nothing on this side, and then when we flip to this side, you'll notice that there's a little button right in through here that can actually be pushed in. So I'm going to see how that goes in. Kind of cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to hold the key ring here. I'm going to press in that button and slide the physical key out. Oh, I got to press the button in better. So I'm sliding the key out. So you can see the key coming out this way. Perfecto. Then look at this. So where the key was before, there's like a couple little holes in here. All I'm doing on this one is I'm putting the key back in about halfway, and I'm just going to turn the key like towards me, which would be counterclockwise. So as I'll flip it over and do it. So I'm going to turn it again counterclockwise. As I do that stuff, you'll see that the whole back portion disengages. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically take that off. I don't think that's the right way to do it, but that's the way I'm doing it. Yeah, so there you go. So that's yeah, that was fine to do that way. And then so here we are, the 2032 on this one, pretty standard. Plus side's going to be up on this one. On the last two, the AMG and the Maserati, they were down. But say I were doing this, which I'm not, obviously. The bumpy side on this one is going to go face down. So this is the negative side down on this one. I'm basically just going to push it in, and then I'm just going to put this back together, which is pretty easy. You'll see this whole contraption. This is basically designed to fit. This oval here is designed to fit into this oval here and basically allow contact with that battery. So the way I'm putting this back together is I'm just putting it in, and I'm going to snap it. I'm just going to snap it together. The Ram one, so see how I didn't do it on the side? I'm going to snap it back. The Ram one is basically a snap one, pretty easy. Key fob is going to go back in, and then, sorry, I wasn't showing that. Key fob is going to go back in, and now it's locked, and then we're good to go. And that's the Ram/Mopar one.